Well, welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. November the 11th, 11/11/2009. What a day. What a day. Oh, baby. El Cable. Getting taken out to the woodshed and shot. Futures were up big. They couldn't collapse the dollar. Even with the futures up big, it was almost like they told us. But obviously, sterling, story of the day. Quarterly inflation report. I screwed it up so bad that the employment number came out. I'm up for the last 36 hours. I just cannot get over it. Numbers are great. I got all nervous. And I bailed like an idiot. I even tried to buy it like a moron. But sterling, toast. Mervyn King putting the kibosh on the pound, basically saying he wants a weaker pound. Pound getting crushed under 6. We'll take a look in a second. But certainly the data, China, good numbers all across the board, except inflation was weaker. But London, unemployment, 7.8%, better. Average earnings, though, were much weaker, up 1.2%. That was a big hit. But claim count better than expected at 12,900 versus 20,200. So, again, the employment data may have been good, but the quarterly inflation report, muy malo. And, again, we take a look at this dollar index. And, I want to say buy everything and, this is it. And I think that, I think the dollar's going to rally tonight. I don't know how much of a huge, massive rally we're going to have, but when you take a look at some of these charts, people, everything looks very good. Dollar index, certainly a hammer. Certainly we could bounce up to 10 EMA, that's 75.50. But that's a hammer, baby. Hammer time. And we take a look at some of the other charts. We take a look at the futures. I mean, they really had them. Look at this. They took out the highs. We were exploding. We hit 1103 on the SPOOs. 1103 and a monster reversal. We take out 1090 in the futures tonight, which I think we will. I think the futures are going to be down. We take out 1090 on the futures, say goodnight. Now, again, I'm not looking for a collapse, but certainly, maybe, I don't know, 1080. But certainly 1090 gives way, and there should be momentum to the downside. Gold, looks like it's got to hit my spot. It's just about there. 1120, if you've been a listener of mine and watching these charts, I think this is ridiculous. Gold is such a freaking short, but it's going up. I think gold reverses tonight. I think we get a nice little shooting star. We'll see. And oil was pretty much unched today. So much of that long oil, short gold trade. Oof, that sucked. Sorry about that, but it's coming. I think it's coming. But look at this oil again, flagging, ready to explode. Ready for Iran to do something. So, again, look at this dollar index. It's a doji. It's a hammer. It's a boy. We take a look at our other charts. Confirmation. Look at that reversal. Nice. Euro dollar. Euro looks great now to the downside, in my opinion. As long as we don't listen. Nice tight stop. I think we easily come down to 49 tonight. We take our previous day low, today's lows. Good night. Coming in. I think, am I looking for a collapse? Probably not. Could be. But, let's see how the charts are. Let's see how everything looks tomorrow. Listen, again, my opinions can change in a New York freaking minute. So for me, this certainly looks like a, reversal. Do I think we saw a monster reversal today and a total trend changer? I don't know. That I'm not sure about, to be frank. But, this looks certainly 49. Whether we come down to 48, that's a whole other story. We'll see. But double top it could be, the whole setup. When you look at all these charts, even dollar yen, look at that doji, baby. I like this dollar yen a lot. I think dollar yen bottomed out last night, 12 o'clock midnight. They crushed it. Brought it right back, baby. I like this dollar yen to the upside. Looks good. Again, we take out 90.05, today's high. I think, again, when you take a look at this, a lot of times in wedges, the first move is the fake out. So they broke it last night. Absolutely. That's why you had the momentum. But we're closing above it. And now we got our other part of the wedge, which we were damn close to. So to me, we take out. I like this dollar. I'm long. I like it. I like it a lot. Is it a blue horseshoe call? No. Maybe. Yeah. I'm long-term in. I'm all in, baby. I like it, but I'll tell you what, looks great. This one. Oh, baby. El Cable. Good night. Any rally up to about 166? Oh, baby. What a monster. The outside bar took out previous. When we took out 68, I thought it was going to go. The initial pop after the quarterly inflation report. I mean, that was sick. Just nuts. Execution was horrible. But we rally up to about just close to 66. You got to be all in, baby. El Cable coming in easy. I would say 64.50. I would say 64.50. So we can get it off at around 66. It'd be a nice trade. 150 pips. We'll take it. Dollar Swiss, Doji. Looks just like the dollar index, doesn't it? Looks good. Aussie dollar. I mean, all these charts. Look at that. Reversal. Doji. Big numbers coming out tonight in Australia. Unemployment data. To me, the inflation expectations at 7 p.m. Eastern. More important. That's the big one. Yeah, the employment could be the nail in the coffin, but I think no matter what, Australia, unless we take out today's highs, is an SON. Sell on the news. Oh, baby. Sell. Sell. Sell, Mortimer. Dollar Canada looks the best of them all. One currency, Dollar Canada was good to us today. I mean, again, not much, but still right at the 50% retracement. But I think it might want to come into the 61.8. I think it's around 104. Pretty sure. Oh, look at that. Damn, what? No. Can't be right. Huh. I'm sorry. Well, right there. Dollar Canada definitely looks good to the downside. I don't know why. Sorry about that. I could swear 104.50 was our 50% from something. Something. Anyway, Dollar Canada again. It looks, if there's one chart, where the dollar looks more weak, it's that one. New Zealand, nice little shooting star, bearish engulfing. That one looks terrible. Oh, and here we go, baby. I hope you people cleaned up. Euro sterling. Blue Horseshoe loves Euro sterling. Oh, baby. I love it. It's breaking this whole downtrend channel. Cable with terrible numbers. Looks like 92 is around this 61.8 retrace. Love it. BOP, any pullback. Maybe we get down to 90. That'd be awesome. Love it. And if Euro sterling's going up, that means one of two things, right? Either Euro's going to explode or cable's going to collapse. Euro yen, I really thought we were going to close above 35. We're going to get jiggy. Futures were up. I mean, this is just nuts. But outside day, took out previous day high, took out lows, closing unchanged. I mean, I'm bullish on dollar yen, but I don't see how I could be bullish on this. I think, you sell on strength. I guess now we got to sell on strength. Get up to about 135.10. Got to sell it. Maybe dollar yen's going to have that pop. Get an opportunity to short euro yen. I'd rather short euro dollar, though. I think I'd rather short euro dollar, but sterling yen, absolutely the best one of the best of the best. Outside day, took out previous day high, closing below previous day low. Looks like death. I know, the other day I was calling for an explosion in them. I mean, I'm not going to sit here and stick with a bias when the chart's telling me and everything's telling me this baby's going down. So, again, dollar yen makes a big move up. I think it'll be a good opportunity to short this thing into a spike up on dollar yen exploding, something like that. And then cable takes over and melts down. Euro Canada continuing to look deliciously good. Any rally, sell. I'm a little nervous on this one with dollar Canada possibly rallying again, but the metals continue to collapse. Copper, I think, was up over, $4 today, I think, at some point. But gold up big. So Euro Canada to me, and with Euro sterling coming in the way it was, exploding the way it was, this thing should have held. Oh, baby, look at this one. Blue Horseshoe loves. Pound Aussie to the downside. But again, any strength on Aussie explosion, if Aussie has bad news tonight, and this thing pops 100 pips to about 179.10, I'm all in, baby. All in. Aussie yen looks very interesting to the downside also. Again, if you have any questions about premium, email me at info@globalfxradio.com. Remember my Facebook, Andrew Spanton. Voice of Forex, baby. The only voice you will ever need in Forex that truly loves to make you money. Have a good night.